What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got a 2014 Subaru Impreza here. If you have a same setup here and you need to change your headlight bulb, this one is blown. Let me turn it on so you can see. So as you can see, this bulb is not working. Okay, it's hard to see with these lights here, but this side is working and you do have another bulb out over here. So I'm going to show you how to change this bulb here and plus the low beam. Okay, the other one is a daytime running light. So what we're gonna do is, let's shut this off. To change the bulb over here, it's a H11 bulb size here, so it's gonna be very simple. Let's take off this little guy right here. So you're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove this little guy. Okay, so once you have your Phillips head screwdriver, all you're gonna do is slightly, don't put weight on it because it'll go right back in just like that. So slightly just turn it. Once it comes out, you should be able to grab this little guy and this whole clip should be able to come out of there just like that. And let's put this somewhere here safe, and now you're gonna have more than enough room in here to yank this forward and take out that bulb. So it's pretty much a clip for the connector for the wiring. It's gonna be hard to see, but all you do is you push down on the tab of the clip right there and you push the connector off. And once you have the connector off, we're gonna turn the bulb. Okay, so what I did was I pushed the tab with one hand and then I took a screwdriver and pushed the clip off for the connector. And now what we're gonna do is simply just grab this bulb and you're gonna turn it counterclockwise, just like that. And your bulb should release and it should just come out just like that. So the bulb here is bad. So very simple. Let's take the new bulb. Try not to touch the flare of the bulb. Let's open it from the back end. We opened the wrong side here. So H11. That's the bulb size. Alright, so same thing. We're gonna put this bulb in and turn it clockwise now. It's gonna be the other way around. So you take this bulb, you stick it in. Okay, small little mistake. The seal stayed behind. Okay, you see that seal? That stayed behind. I'm gonna just drop it there because my hand's in there. I don't want to take it out. And you take this bulb and you turn it clockwise and you're done. After that, you take your clip, connector, and you yank it in. It should click. Okay, make sure it clicks. And we can try on the light now. There you go. And it's working. Perfect. I like that. All right, let's turn this off. And don't forget to bring this bottle back and put your clip back in. Simple. Bada bing, bada boom. And to put this back in, you just force it down. All right, now we're gonna go on this side. This side is a little bit different. Well, the headlight bulb is the same. What we're gonna do is here, we're gonna turn this and this. We're gonna take off this lid here. This cover should come off. It goes into the housing here. So let's get over it. Now we need a flathead screwdriver. So you need a flathead screwdriver. Let's see what size we got in there. Whoa, that thing turned everything together. Okay, I think these clips are different. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the camera down because I need my second hand. Okay, I was able to do that somehow, some way. So this comes off. You're just gonna have to turn it slightly, okay? And I got a camera in the other hand, so I need both hands. So what I'm gonna do is put the camera down, take off this and this. Okay, once you have both of the clips off, you should be able to take this guy off, slip it right off, and you're gonna have access to this whole thing. Okay, you could reach all the bulbs from right here. Your high beam, low beam, daylight, running lights right here. So same thing with this one. This is the one we're changing now. This is the one that's bad also. So we push this in, the connector, and okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it counterclockwise, and this comes out. Now you could use a flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna push on this tab right here and pull out this connector. If I could do it with the one hand, that'd be magic. That is magic. All right, the bulb size here, 9005. So I'm gonna go get a 9005 bulb. Okay, got a 9005 bulb, 9005. So we're gonna take this bulb, you're gonna stick it back in the spot, and just line the ear lobes. And once you line them to the spot where they belong, And all you're gonna do is you're gonna turn this guy, and it's gonna click just like that. You put your connector in, it's gonna click. Let's turn on the lights now. Bam! Super bright, super bright. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And all you're gonna do is very simple. You take this little guy, you stick it back in the housing right there, and you take your 2 clips that you took off, and you push them in just like that, and you're all done. And if you need to turn it, you could turn it. Thank you for watching.